Try this classic stuffed pepper recipe for a meal that will last you multiple days. You'll need bell peppers with the tops and cores removed, chopped fresh parsley, a chopped onion, garlic, brown or wild rice, shredded Monterey Jack, ground beef, or you can use ground chicken, turkey, or tofu, diced tomatoes, tomato paste, olive oil, oregano, and salt and pepper. Preheat the oven to 400. Prepare the rice according to package instructions. In a large skillet over medium heat, heat the oil, then add the onion and cook for about 5 minutes. Stir in the tomato paste and garlic and cook for another minute. Add the ground beef and cook until it's no longer pink and drain the fat. Next, stir in the cooked rice and diced tomatoes. Season with oregano, salt, and pepper, and let the mixture simmer until the liquid has reduced slightly, or about 5 minutes. Place the peppers cut side up in a 9x13 baking dish and drizzle with oil. Spoon the beef mixture into each pepper and top with Monterey Jack, placing any extra in the baking dish around the peppers. Cover the dish with foil and bake for about 35 minutes. Uncover and bake until the cheese is bubbly, about 10 minutes more. Garnish with fresh parsley before serving.